Tying an ankle bracelet is quick and straightforward, with several knotting options depending on your needs. For easy adjustability and removal, use a sliding knot. Begin by wrapping the anklet around your ankle, ensuring you have at least 3 inches of extra cord at each end. Create and secure a loop at one end, wrapping the cord around it before pulling it through the loop to tighten. Repeat this process on the other side, making sure both knots are sturdy. You can adjust the size of the anklet by sliding the knots apart or together. For a more permanent option, you can use a simple knot. Start by pinching the ends of the anklet where you want to make your knot. Then, tuck the ends loosely behind the anklet and pull the ends of the anklet through the loop you just created. If your anklet has a loop and 2 threads, thread both ends through the loop, push the top thread down through the loop, and pull. Poke the bottom thread up through the loop and pull the top thread downwards through the loop, pulling down tightly to secure. When fitting, ensure you can fit a finger under the anklet for comfort. If desired, double knot the threads for added security.